amazing. I can't even fathom.
Light can't really get through. You're not going to feel anything. You're not going to smell anything until the surface is literally breached. The locale on that side will equalize with the locale on this side, and then you're good to go. You can kind of see like a glow happening, but again, you're not going to get anything more than that until you touch it. And once you do touch it, the surface is breached. This portal becomes self-sustained for like 2 hours.
Are you going to go through it?
Taking samples of this water. Unbelievable. It's so warm, fresh here. It's almost like it's just untainted. You can't see it because the clouds are covering it, but there are 2 suns right off there. One, and there's a lesser sun like right there. Feels like home. I think it's still Earth. It's Earth in a different time, maybe. There it is. 2 suns. Crazy. Beautiful.